Hello YouTube. This is just a short unboxing video of the Garmin Zumo XT I just got in the post. So this is the box. Got a lot of maps and things on the back of it. You can open it. Mine was a box in a box, but these were not taped. These tabs were not taped on either end here, but let's see what's inside. Okay, wow, so right there it is, the Zumo XT. Okay, let's see what else is in the box. Put that over here. Okay, this is the hardwire kit for the motorcycle. This is a bunch of RAM connection stuff, including a small short arm, one to connect it to the clutch or brake reservoir, a flat one, and a curved handlebar connector. That's a lot of different connectors in one package. I'm impressed. Here's a user manual, I assume. Yeah, nobody reads those. There's a tab maybe to connect to the battery. Mini USB cable. Mini, not micro. Bunch of zip ties. What else we got in here? Oh, this is the part that clips in the back so you can mount a RAM ball to it right here. That's an important part. Then there's another battery tab, crushable thing, and then some bolts and nuts and washers. So I'm gonna put all this stuff back in there. Look at the little machine a little bit more. Mini USB cable, a book, all sorts of connectors for RAM. That's really nice that they included that. And the hardware kit for the motorcycle. Alright, so I wonder if this thing will power up. Let's tear this off of it. I think it's about a 5-inch, I think they say specifically it's a 5-inch screen. It's waterproof. In the back of it we have the connection for the mount for power. It has 6 or 5 pins, but the mount only has 2, so I don't know what that means. There's the mini USB. That is super weird that they use mini USB. That's so old. It should be USB-C or at least micro USB, but USB-C is what it should be. Here's a waterproof cover for the micro USB or micro SD card. It's not immediately obvious how you get it in there, but I'm sure that's what you do. Probably this pops up or something like that. Then obviously there's the power button here. Let's power it on and see what happens. Oh, it has power. Okay, so, oh wait a minute, we want to go the other way. United States, American English. So the two previous choices are Spanish or American English. Nice. Obviously we're going to accept all. Connect to the Garmin Drive mobile access app. Additional features for your Zumo XT, live traffic updates, smart notifications, hands-free calling. Okay, we're not going to connect it right now. You can connect it to a home Wi-Fi network for map or software updates. Wow, that's pretty slick. That hasn't been possible in the past. Let's try that. Let me type this in. Okay, it's connecting to Mocha. That's the primary hotspot around here. And it's a 5 megahertz or gigahertz. I don't know if it's going to connect. Oh yeah, there we go. Okay, do you consent to, yeah, of course, you have to consent to all this stuff. Email address, okay. Other promotions, great news. Oh God, please no. There's my email. Okay, based on your preferences, unregistered devices. No, I don't think so. Connect your Zumo to a Bluetooth headset to hear navigation instructions. We're going to skip that for now. Agree. Okay, so how do we update maps? Complete setup, update maps and software. Checking for updates. This is pretty nice. I haven't had a Garmin that would update through Wi-Fi before on its own. You always have to connect it to a computer. There is an update available. We're not going to do that right now, but 2 hours and 30 minutes would be a record. I mean, it's often taken more than an hour in base camp. A navigation, driver assistance, traffic. Wow, pretty cool. Okay, apps. Wonder if it does the tire pressure monitor. I don't know. It doesn't say. Oh, it has a thing for inReach here. I used to have inReach. I think Garmin owns them now. That probably explains that. All right, well, that's about it. I'm going to get this thing set up and mount it on my bike and then give a full review of it. So, thanks everyone.